Perkiperkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare, and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. As you read from my title, today I received my winter's FabFitFun box, you guys, and look at this massive ass thing. You know, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription where you can, I think it was 8 to 9 items, and it retails for $49.99 or $95, something like that. And those are for seasonal members, but you can also become a select member where you basically pay for the year in advance and you actually get it at a slightly better discount, and it's at $179 for the full year. So that's 4 boxes. And you also get extra perks by being a select member. You're actually allowed to customize 4 to 5 items, and you get first dibs on everything. So for myself, I definitely saw that it was worth the investment to subscribe for the year. But anyways, you guys, I'm really excited to see what I got, because honestly at this point I kind of forgot. I remember a few items, but I kind of forgot as well. So I'm really excited to open this box and see what actually came, because there's, again, I did customize 4 items and the rest are mystery items to me. So if you're interested in seeing what I received in this winter edition of the FabFitFun box, make sure you keep on watching. But before I go any further, don't forget, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. And guys, give me a big old thumbs up, as it does help me tremendously. So this way YouTube could push out my videos to other people who like the similar content. One last thing. Make sure you guys enter my active giveaway. I will link it in the cards and down in the description. It's an incredible giveaway, almost $300 in value just in the products that I have in that giveaway. So make sure you guys head on over and enter. And yeah, so anyways, you guys, let's get to it and let's go. Oh, and by the way, guys, who likes my sweater? I know I'm not a huge basketball fan, you guys, just so you know, but last winter we have Christmas in the Park in the Bay Area, and it was the end of season, you know, it's after January 1st, and a lot of the stands were selling their merchandise for super cheap. So I got this ugly Christmas sweater, or whatever they're called, which actually it lights up, and I got it for like $10. So I picked up a couple of them, and this is the first time I'm actually able to use it. So just here, you guys, and the box on a table, because again, it's really big, so it's hard for me to hold it. The first items inside the box, I believe these guys right here were like add-ons. So I picked up a pair of fuzzy warm socks. You can never have too many warm socks for winter. Sticky pads in the bottom, so you have grip, which is great because I have laminate floors downstairs. And I hope they fit my calves. I have really big calves, so, but they look really cute. And I want to say these add-ons were like $5 or something like that, because it was in the lower tier. I also picked up as a bonus or extra, because for choice you were able to choose the Ilia Beauty Limitless mascara or some other products, and I wanted to try the mascara, so I picked this up as an add-on. I think this was like $5 or $7. And I also picked up the Babe Lash enhancing conditioner. I'm trying my darndest to grow out my lashes, you guys, because I have a really hard time with lashes in general, like fake lashes, and I'm hoping this will help me. I used to have a serum that helped me. It was the Grand serum, but it's just so expensive. So if I could find it more affordable, and I hear really good things about this product, or at least this brand, so I'm hoping it works. And it comes in this little tube. So here's our winter box, and this is ginormous. This is, I think, the longest box I've ever gotten from them. But it's pretty cute, totally in theme, and oddly enough, I match it. So, hey. Oh, now I remember. Okay. So in every single season, we always receive this real nice magazine that goes over all the products that you could have received, along with like typically like a story with the influencer or content creator or whomever they worked with to basically select these products. This one they worked, I guess, with Katie Couric. So that's cool. So in here is all the items we could have received. So instead of like going through the full list of everything you could have possibly chosen or possibly gotten, I'm just gonna post a picture so you guys can see the other items that were optional. They sent me a candy bar? Okay. Or did someone just drop their snacks in my box? They sent us a FabFitFun winter sticker. Wine, little card with discounts for Sparkle and Shine, HBO Max, which I already get for free, Hello Fresh, 9 free meals, and this prescription thing. Oh, it's a wellness vitamin thing where they like customize it for you. Wow, I have a lot of clothing in here. So this is my first item. So excited. Let me look at the magazine. This is the very first product, and this is section 1, and I got 1D, which is the Summer Rose Cozy Robe, retails for $70. Let me open her up. I think I chose large or extra large because I like my robes and sweaters oversized. I've been looking for a nice, like, I have a nice fleece one, but this looked so much better quality. Like mine was like a $10 or $15, you know. So here's the cute little robe that I got, and it has pockets, which I love, and it has a hoodie, which is perfect, and it feels like really nice quality, though I do need to wash it probably before I use it because a lot of the little fuzzy hairs are falling everywhere. Like if my quality of my camera was better, you'd probably see all this stuff falling around. FYI, you guys, I'm also changing my camera here in the next couple videos. I'm just trying to learn how to use it because I'm not the most tech savvy person, so hopefully my video quality will also be improving here very, very soon. Section 7B. Our jewelry ombre leopard scrunchies. Meow. These retail for 25 bucks. That's kind of pricey for scrunchies, and there's only 3. I mean, I'm not gonna knock them because I do like scrunchies and these are super cute patterns, but $25 is expensive. So here's the 3 scrunchies. I mean, they're all right, but I don't know if it's worth $25. Like, they're not like satin. Again, but they feel nice, so I'm not paying extra for them. Oh, that's right. I think I picked these right here. These are the Kate Spade New York workout socks, set of 2 pairs. Retails for $24. I know you could have gotten like a headband or the Tula, but I was like more intrigued by the socks because again, I knew we were getting into winter season and I was looking more for items I could lounge around my house with. So they have the little ankle part right here, and then they have the little hole. So I think it's really cool. You can use it to work out and grip in your house, I guess. I'm not sure. All I know is that they do end up fitting, and if they're comfortable, I will most likely buy more of these because I do like the concept that it's the ankle, so you don't have to worry about them slipping or anything like that, and it still keeps this portion exposed. Because I always joke around that I have Flintstone feet, you guys, so. And this is a one size fits all. And I'm naturally a size 11 wide shoes. So we'll see if it just fit for me. So this guy right here is from section 3D. This is the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pro Pore dermabrasion. Wash your face with the professional grade microcrystal solutions that instantly deep clean and refine your pores for $58 retail. I do like Dr. Brandt's products like a lot, you guys, so I'm excited to try this out. I have done their exfoliator and stuff like that, so I guess it's a gentle exfoliating cleanser, so I'm excited to give this a go because I've never tried this before, just a regular exfoliator, and it's a great size. So this guy is the scarf. I must have chosen this, you guys, because this was a choice item. Oh, this feels wonderful. So this is how the scarf looks like, and it's a nice big one as well. It's from the Lucky brand, so it's a bougie brand. I definitely know that. It says Lucky brand solid brushed scarf. It's a wraparound silhouette it's a wraparound silhouette and tassel ends make it a stylish scarf. So, and it retails for $69.50, you guys. That's nuts. But it does feel great, and I love the quality. Like, I love scarves, actually. If you want to give me nice scarves, I love scarves. This little guy right here. So this little guy is from Phase Zero Makeup Making Moves Blusher, for retails for $27.50. The shade name is Making Blush with the mirror. I'm not gonna swatch it because I just literally got the Pure Cosmetics blush, and it looks very, very similar. So, which I'm wearing right now. So yeah, so I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna save it most likely for a giveaway, but it's very cute and it's a sturdy compact. So I didn't choose this, but hey, I actually need these. We're in the holiday season. This is from Ipsy, I believe it's pronounced. Let me put it this way. So this is from Ipsy. Cutting board set of 4 retails for $19.95, and it has a non-slip backing grip, and you can cut veggies and whatever and stuff like that. I actually like these kinds of cutting boards, and it makes it easier for storage reasons. I actually have some slightly smaller ones myself, so I don't mind these actually. So this is my last item. This is section 6 in letter A. It's the Wish Lip Scrub in Vanilla Bean. It says organic brown sugar and organic shea butter work together to exfoliate and soften your lips. And it retails for $20. So it's a gentle exfoliation. Sounds good. It is vegan and Leaping Bunny certified. I'm not gonna squeeze it since there's no seal. But it smells great. So I'm not going to use this yet because I actually have 2 from Fresh Beauty I'm working on, and I want to finish those. But this smells so good. Like, I could totally smell the shea butter. As a quick recap, I got my cute robe, I got the scarf, I got the socks, and again, I'm talking about not my add-ons, I'm talking about just items within my box. Workout socks, the scrunchies, it's like, I'll use them, but I'm like, expensive. The cutting boards, the Dr. Brandt, the blusher, and the lip scrub. So I received 8 items. I added up all my items, and I did it old school, you guys. Pen and paper, or pencil and paper. The total retail value for my box is $313.95. And I think I forgot to mention at the beginning, FabFitFun does state that you will get a minimum retail value of $250 every season. And again, for even if you paid the regular 50 bucks, let's round it up, 50 bucks, even if you paid the regular 50 bucks, that's actually a really good deal when you think about it. Over $250 worth in value in products. I will most definitely get use out of everything I received, actually. This was a great winter box in my opinion. Even the cutting boards, I'm going to be using the cutting boards. So I'm pretty stoked about them. As a reminder, when you are a select member, which means you pay for your subscription in advance for the year, you get quite a bit of perks. As you notice, I did receive my box way in advance. We just had billing done for like add-ons and things like that about 2-3 weeks ago, and I already received my box. Most people, like those that do seasonal memberships, which means they bill you every quarter, they don't get their boxes even shipped out until all those which actually pay for the year get theirs shipped. So I have a few friends that are seasonal members, and they just received their fall boxes maybe about 2-3 weeks ago, before we actually had we did our choices for winter. Yearly member, you get quite a few more perks in the sense that your box is going to be some of the first to leave that warehouse. You get to customize 4, sometimes 5 items every single season out of 8. That makes it for a major win, in my opinion. And 3, you also get to choose add-ons way in advance than everyone else. Do save an overall of $20 for the year versus, for example, I do have a $10 off referral link. Again, referral, not affiliate link, down in my description if you guys would like to subscribe to FabFitFun. But again, that's $10 off your first month's box. And again, if it's within your budget, I highly recommend you guys to sign up for the yearly membership, because again, you get 20 bucks off and you also get all the extra perks. If you're interested in a FabFitFun box starter, you can leave me your email address down in the description. I do have a few available. I only pay $5 for shipping, and it is available for Canadians as well, but there is a difference in shipping costs, so I don't know what that is. But you get 3 to 4 full-size items. So let me know what you guys think of my winter FabFitFun box. You guys like the items I received? Did you guys that have FabFitFun box, did any of you actually choose some of the similar items? I would love to know. And lastly, again, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys can give me a big old thumbs up. And make sure you guys enter my active giveaway, you guys. And again, it's linked down in the description. And thank you guys again so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Please take care, be safe, and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.